Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today we are here with a nail polish haul. I didn't think that I needed to film one, but then the boxes and the packages just kept arriving and I hadn't filmed any of them, and I have singles, I have so many. So I realised last night when I was trying to organise the mess behind me that we definitely needed to do a haul, because if you know me, I don't wear them until I put them in a haul video. It's just my method process, okay? So let's dive in. This is some of my Black Friday stuff. Post is obviously under extreme stress right now, both sides of the Atlantic and probably all over the world with the amount of people that are shipping things. So I do have a few things from the US that have not made it for the haul, but they will obviously be here at some point when those busy postal workers get round to it. I cannot imagine how many parcels they're delivering right now. So yeah, we're going to talk about what we've got. That's all I can do. Okay, so some Black Friday things first. We have two from the UK brand Prism Polish. She was doing some sort of discount for Black Friday, so I picked up two from them. I need to buy more UK indies is basically going to be a running theme of this video, because stunning. I'm going to insert close-up bottle shots of everything for you, but the first one is called Am I Eating Because I'm Bored? And this is just a beautiful emerald green, but then we have this like violet flash to it, a little bit of a duochrome element. But again, something that you might see over and over again in these videos is I love strong shimmers and I love contrasting colours, so no surprise that the green and the purple together just looked glorious to me. So Am I Eating Because I'm Bored? And that's the first Prism Polish. The other one is called Walking on the Sky, and this just looks to be a straight up duochrome where it goes from blue to purple in that spectrum. Again, just thought it looked so shifty and different, and I'm really excited to try both of these, and again obviously to expand my Prism Polish collection. All indies will be linked down below, and if they don't have any of these in stock still, you'll be able to grab some other pretties instead. I have two from the European brand called Lacquester. I always have this Lacquester. I never can pronounce that right. I'm sure I'm definitely butchering it. She was doing a group buy and a Black Friday sale, I believe. So I picked up two. The first one is called Opal Dreams, and this is a multi-chrome with also hollow and flakies. So the layers upon layers upon layers. Hollow, flaky, multi-chrome. That was Opal Dreams. And the other one is called Kaleidoscope. And this is a beautiful cobalt blue with then a ton of opalescent flakies in there. The flakies are enormous and it gives us this red glow to it. So could not resist that. And to be honest, they have tons of absolutely stunning polishes on the website. I could have grabbed so many more. Like I say, those are the two that I picked up from Lacquester. That's what I'm going to say. Next order that we have is from by Dani Diana, which is, I believe, a Brazilian brand originally, and just excuse me packaging. How cute. I haven't even opened them yet. So they are a Brazilian brand. They are in Hella Handmade Creation and Polish Pickup, which is where it kind of got my, piqued my interest. I do have some more on the way. Like I say, they're just with my friend who ships from the US to me sometimes. So I decided to go straight from US to UK just to kind of see how that would work. So they do, although they're in Brazil, she does have an American shipper who, like there's like a international store, and I believe that the lady in the America, she ships for the lady in America, the American lady then ships on, is how I believe it works. So I picked up three. There were some that were just discounted anyway, and then there was some with Black Friday. Excuse me, this is just amazing. Oh, and the handwritten on the back, the shade is handwritten. So cute. And inside we are then bubble wrapped as well. This is all looking very nice to me. So like I say, a brand that's just been piquing my interest a lot, and I decided to go straight to the source, which is tends to be how I like to buy things. I like to just go straight to the seller themselves if I absolutely can. So the first one that we have is called Occamy shells, and this was from a Fantastic Beasts collection that she did. You'll see from the bottle shot that these are bottles, also stunning. I'm just very impressed with the whole aesthetics, everything with the brand. If you look at like their like PR type presentations of collections, again, beautiful. I'm just fangirling now. So Occamy shells, like I say, was a Harry Potter inspired one, and it is a silver base with silver enormous flakies in it. So that is the first one. The second one in the little pouch is possibly, I think I've got all Harry Potter ones, I want to say. I think so. So this is a thermal. Now, let's get the rustling out of the way. I know what I hear you saying. Amy, you don't really do thermals. No, I don't. But the reasoning of this just made me want it. So this one is called Remembrall. And if you're a fan of Harry Potter, you might know that the Remembrall is clear to red. That's what colour the Remembrall changes. So this is a white or clear to red shift. We do have a little thermometer sticker on here to say it is a thermal, which makes me very happy. And there is also flakies in there. So you're going to get flakies and then the colour shift of white or clear to red. I cannot remember. So that one there was Remembrall. She then was throwing in, I think it was if you spend X amount, or I don't know if it was actually, it might have just been if you buy any order of maybe $20, was it? It was a really low fee. She was going to throw in an extra polish. So this one is just the sample free gift is the name of it. Gorgeous. So it is a pale pink, and then we have a greeny flash to it and a ton of opalescent flakies in there. And what I love about Dani Diana is the shimmers and the flakes and the flashes, so that is a really beautiful polish to add in. The last one that I purchased, if we can open it up, is she did some house colours for her 1 year anniversary, I want to say. So I picked up the Ravenclaw one, not because I am a Ravenclaw, and if those of you that may be wondering, I'm going to be doing, I think, one more Harry Potter video, and then that may be the end of the series, but that will probably be coming up in the new year. I do have plans to film, I think, one more Harry Potter video, but this is the Ravenclaw colours, and it's called Cleverness. So it is obviously the blue base with the bronze glitters, and blue and bronze, if you've been here for a while, you'll know it's one of my favourite combinations. So happy to get that one, I say, even though I'm not a Ravenclaw, just had to get it just for the colour combo. So those were the three that I ordered and the bonus gift from by Dani Diana. I feel like I'm going through these colour sheets really, really slowly, so I do apologise. Let's try and speed up a bit, shall we? I ordered a mystery grab bag from one of the ladies on Facebook. I have bought from her before, so she was doing some more and I got some. So the first one is called You're a Peach, and this is by Colours by Llarowe. Colours by Llarowe doesn't exist anymore, which is crazy to me because it was just such an iconic brand for so long. But I think Leanne was just kind of slowly wrapping the brand down, and I think like a month ago or two she officially closed for good. This is kind of like, it's not really a peachy colour considering it's You're a Peach. It's kind of a light pink, little bit of red. I do love reddy pinks, they're one of my favourites, and I think it's just a straight up holographic. So that is What a Peach, Colours by Llarowe. Then have one by Femme Fatale, and this is called You Only Live Ice. Stunning, a blue base, and then there looks to be goldy green glitters in here, I think, or it might be both. Definitely some gold holographic in here, but then I think we also have some greeny blue flakes maybe. Very interested to get this on the nail because sometimes you can never tell until you wear it what it's going to be like. Bottle to nail doesn't always match up. So You Only Live Ice, and that one was Femme Fatale. We then have two new brands to my collection. This is going to be a shocker. This is my first Emily de Molly. I don't know why. It's a beautiful brand. I always look at them from afar and think, God, those are stunning. But this one is called Contains Enchantments, and it is a bluey purple base, and then we have a ton of glitters in here. The glitters are a multi-chrome, so we have some like green to purple, there's then some orange to red, so really jam-packed in here. I just see a solid wall of flakies and glitters, so I'm excited for my first Emily de Molly experience, and that one was Contains Enchantments. The last one in this grab bag was also another one from a brand new brand to me, and this one is Supernatural Lacquer, and this one is called Fabric of Space and Time. Is that a Doctor Who reference, or is that just a space time travel kind of reference? either or probably. So this is a green base, and then we have a ton of blue to green little flakes in there, and I feel like we have a little bit of a shimmer too. So very excited to try new brands. That's kind of been my focus for 2020, and hopefully that's kind of shown in my videos. I have tried to wear a ton of new brands and buy from new brands, so that was kind of like my idea for 2020. Before the pandemic and after, small brands are the brands that really need our support right now, small businesses, so that's what I've been doing. We then have the return of the indie subscription box for the UK. So this is called the UK Indie Box. This ran a few years ago now. I think I got 2 of the boxes, but it has been revived for the end of 2020 by my friend Becca from a certain Becca Lacquer. She has revived the box, and we're going to be hopefully going through seasonally. So this is the Christmas box that I wanted to pick up. First of all, amazing Becca, there is chocolates and candy canes. There's Christmas tree ornaments, really, really beautiful packaging. And then we have 4 polishes, I think, or is it 3? No, 4 polishes and then 1 cuticle oil. So we'll go for another repeat. So the first one is from Lacquester that I've already shown you earlier in this video. So she was contributing a polish called Pajama Glam, because don't we know that's been the theme of 2020. It's like a silvery base with like really warm tone flakies in here. Not sure, because greys are very hit and miss for me, but we will be obviously trying that one out. So that was Lacquester Pajama Glam 2020. We then have Opulent essences, and I only have one other, and it's a mini. So this is still quite a newish brand to me, although it is a very well-established brand in the UK. Again, I just need to buy more UK indies. This one is called Tree Up Baubles Out, and as you can see, it is a stunning green, a ton of shimmer in there, very Christmas tree looking. So Opulent essences, Tree Up Baubles Out. And then 2 new UK brands to me. The first one is called Dystopia nail polish, and this shade is called Starry Night, and it looks to be a purple multi-chrome with some scattered holographic glitters in there. That's what it looks like, so we will see what it looks like on the nail. I just want to comment, give them a wet round of applause, because the bottle shape is so unique, and I love how the stickers fit perfectly, and on the label, very impressed with the packaging from Dystopia. The last brand is from Beau nail polish, and they have a bow on them, and they are spelled B-E-A-U. Beau and Beau, I like it. And this one is called Slaying in Satin. So it is a satin looking red polish. Again, I need to kind of wear some of these festive ones before the Christmas season ends. So that was what we got in there. The cuticle oil is from Becca herself, and this is in a rollerball, and it is in the scent Mince Pie. I do have a few of her cuticle oils. They are really, really nice, but I've not tried anything with a rollerball on it, so I'm glad to try one in the rollerball. I wasn't really knowing what to expect from Mince Pie. Quite fruity. I like it. And quickly, because this is getting to be a really long video, this is the Cast a Spell box for 2020. This is really limited edition. They actually decided not to sell it for very long this year because of things you probably have heard about, and I don't know if I want to go back over again, but in short, J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, has said some very disgusting things over the past few years, and therefore they didn't want to really upset people, so they only did it very limited edition, and I feel like we're probably not going to get this box again, which is really sad for the makers, but I totally understand why they would maybe not want to do it in future years, because we don't want to offend anybody at all. So the first one we have is Ribbits Stickits. I need to probably learn how to use water decals, because I've never used them. There is then a Snitch sticker. Why are these things so hard for me to say? We then have 4 polishes, and I think all of these indie makers have been in the box before, I'm pretty sure. So we have Morsemorde, which is from Bee's Knees Lacquer, which is a green with multi-chrome and holographic glitters in there. Could be flakies, but they just look like glitters to me. We then have Vera Verto, which is from Never Enough. The only polishes I have from Never Enough, I think, are Harry Potter polishes. Maybe one polish pickup. I don't feel like I have many from them. And this is a black with a ton of gold and then holographic in there. So I really love the juxta of the gold and black. It's not done as much as I'd like to in nail polishes. I do love black and gold together. We have a Stella Chroma, which come in these beautiful boxes, and this one is a Llarowe, which is a gold with gold flakies in. Very, very blingy, and also probably very good for the Christmas time. I do like wearing metallics over Christmas as well. Wrapping up the box is Stupefy, and this is from Night Owl Lacquer, and this is a blue with a blue flash, and then we do have itty bitty little flakies in there as well. And the Night Owl contribution for last year's box was one of my favourite of the year. It was absolutely stunning. That was Wingardium Leviosa. So I'm excited. I just think that these four makers in particular just do really great magical polishes. My goodness, that turned into being a really long, rambly video. So thank you so much if you stuck with me to the end. That is my end of 2020 wrap up haul. Like I say, I have a few more things coming from Black Friday that will be here soon. So we will jump back on and probably do a smaller haul in January. Clearly, I should have filmed this earlier because it's just built and built and built. So let me know down below what you shopped in Black Friday. I hope you're having a great day. Thumbs me up, subscribe, and I will see you soon.